tracks lead to a cave entrance. There are strange markings on the wall, deep scratches that in places reach up to the roof of the cave. Even further inside the cave lies a disturbing sight. The skull of an elephant. How did the elephant end up here, and why? Poaching can be a threat in this area. Did an illegal hunter bring down this giant? But now, there's trouble elsewhere in paradise. There's a problem with the giraffes at a rest stop on their journey.
We need to pull from there.
As long as the vehicle is moving, the giraffe will settle down and they won't have so many issues. When the vehicle stops, they'll start kicking the truck and they'll start getting impatient.
Do you have an animal down?
One of the giraffes has fallen down, and it's Melvin.
Get it. Just pull it from the other hand.
This could be a disaster. Melvin the giraffe struggles to stand up. If the others panic and he gets caught in a tangle of legs, he could be trapped. Arthur helps with the rescue.
Okay, that's good. It's not completely down.
Six are up. And that means Melvin is back on his feet.
Oh. Good. Thank you, Taylor.
Arthur returns to his car as the caravan gets back on the road.
We're doing good. One giraffe fell down, but now it's back up. Standing up, nothing serious it seems.
Melvin and his tower, the term for a group of giraffes, are safely on the road again. And their fan club grows as they pass some school children who've come out to watch the spectacle. It's a lesson in conservation in real time.